All right, all right. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Testing, testing. It's okay. This night I am testing my recording equipment. Okay, so I just want to talk about you know things, stuff. I did not even write anything down. It's all right. My name is Chris Joshua Chukwubueze. Okay, and some people know me as um, Okadi Christopher Ekene. All right, that's my old name. Okay, so I don't know. Just want to do this small video. Okay, and I don't know. I don't know what to talk about. Okay, who is this guy? All right. Okay. I think I'm a multi-talent person. Okay. It's not by my power, but it's a gift from God. Of course. Of course. So, and to be kindly, this can be a blessing, and the other side of it, I shouldn't mention that, because most of the time I can tell you I have a very, very strong struggle, to manage these multiple talent things that going on in my brain. And for so many people who have met me, I'm different things to different people. All right, nice, kind, gentle, and some people know me as Takati. I talk a lot, especially if I'm around people that I'm very familiar with, friends, loved ones, in public, very bit shy. Okay, and seriously, I've been really working on my shyness. I could remember some years ago, I used to board Molue. So those people who know Molue, of course, if you live in Lagos State, you know what is called Molue. So I used to enter Molue in those days, and you see these guys, we call them Molue marketers. They come up, they sell their product and services. Some of them are very good. They capture the attention of all the passengers, and most of the time I buy things that I would not even use or need. But from the way they sell, you are moved to buy something. Some of them come in, they are not moving anybody, even if they have the best products, in their hands, And we human beings, we are chameleons. We are like chameleons. We adapt to things in our environment. So, as a person, I have this passion and urge, to be a public speaker. I mean, it's part of something I want to do. Okay, and I also have 2 books that I've written. It's registered with IS, is it called ISBN? Okay, I don't know. Promoting is, I have a lot of time. I mean, a lot of problem managing stuff. Okay, so I have my book there. I give it online for free. People want to download and read. People that value books. Of course, not everybody value books. There is a statistic that I've heard. They said in the United States, library ID card is free. Okay, but unfortunately, it's only like 30% of the population that actually have a library ID card. Can you imagine 30% of over 200 and something million people? That is so tiny. I also remember there's a saying that says that if you want to keep something hidden for people, especially black people, just put it inside the book. Nobody go open the book now. We they want to take book read. I mean, they want to take the book do. If it's in a sport magazine, they go read. I beg, But anything like educational and others, oh no, forget. We don't graduate from school, no they really it's a very poor mentality. Okay, back to my story. So one day I prepare my notes, and stuff like that, and then enter a bus, and I stood up, almost shaking from my body, as for the first time as a shy person. I really want to work on this shyness. So I of course I learned some techniques that I can use, like deep breaths and all those stuff, to gather a lot of air and energy in your body, so that when you are speaking, your voice don't start cracking and other stuff. Read so many things online. Okay, my best website is called Google. I call it Google or Google, whatever you call it. Alright, so search a lot of things, read a lot of things online, how to overcome shyness and stuff like that. I work on it, bam. So after a while, I do it frequently, and I still hope I have time to, just find something I can sell once in a while, board public bosses, and sell myself, speak myself. It's part of life training and progress. Okay, so frankly, I never knew I would be talking about this. All right, so I am testing my recording equipment. Okay, recently I've been posting on my Facebook, about this website like Udemy. I'm on the final stage. Is that right now I have a lot of distractions because I have other customers that I'm serving. Somehow I still want the lockdown to continue so I can still have time, so I can have less distraction to finish this website. In fact, I am making it a compulsory that latest by next month I should complete the final stage, put it up online, start putting my videos, and now if you want to develop the other section where other people can also teach on that platform. That's the biggest goal. I just want to kick it off, start something, because without that I might not been inspired enough to complete that project. It's a huge project. At least I have to start somewhere. All right, so many things. I'm a graphic artist, web developer, system engineer, precisely computer engineer. I work a lot with desktop computers in those days. Okay, I don't so much have interest much on laptop engineering. Those things are too tiny. I'm so impatient when it comes to that. I do a lot of things. Okay, and okay, let's make this video short. All right, so I'm going to stop here. Okay, frequently I might be dropping some video. Maybe I just put this stuff on my YouTube channel, drop on Facebook, just do something. Okay, so the main purpose of this is from I do like to do a lot of quotes, put quotes on Facebook, on my WhatsApp status. Say we learn by doing. All right, so that's what I'm doing now, learning, because I have a lot of things to be done. All right, see you in the next episode. I will bite my tongue.